everyone. So me and my boyfriend gonna try something different tonight. We got two different kits. We got the Don Pancho Express Meal Kit, which is the chicken quesadillas. Then we also have the chicken street tacos by Don Pancho. So we're looking forward to trying it. This is how it looks. It come with 6 flour tortillas, chicken, Diego salsa, avocado, jack and cheddar. The street tacos come with 6 flour and white corn tortillas, chicken, Diego salsa, chipotle, jack and cheddar blend.
Unexpected, like a fire to the flame, we can make